AI can now do these things instead of humans, and this fast start pulls viewers into a turbocharged AI tour. The clip shows chatbots answering questions, image recognition sorting items, and automation speeding routines in busy American offices and homes. It also showcases creative content generation from music to designs, powered by accessible AI tools that spark rapid experimentation. Viewers are invited to answer, do you think AI will take our jobs in the future, and which tasks should remain human-led? The closing urges a subscribe and promises more AI videos translating breakthroughs into everyday life for curious Americans.